Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the factors affecting soil formation. Now, today's topic is soil erosion and soil conservation. As you know, fertile soil is essential for agriculture because it provides food security to all the people of the world. So today we will discuss about few methods of soil conservation. Before we discuss about the soil conservation, you should know about the meaning of soil erosion. Soil erosion means the top layer of soil, is removed by natural agents. The top layer of the soil is removed by natural agents like river, wind, water, etc. But sometimes what happened, due to human action, or we can say human unwise action, is also responsible for the removal of the top layer of the soil. For example, deforestation. Deforestation means overcutting of trees, or we can say mining, overgrazing, etc. Deforestation, mining and overgrazing are the unwise human action which is also responsible for the soil erosion. So we have to conserve the soil. As I told you, soil is very important for human beings and animals, of course. So now we will discuss some methods for the soil conservation. Different methods for the soil conservation. Soil conservation means, as you know, prevention of soil from being eroded. Prevention of soil from being eroded. So few methods are there. First one is afforestation. Afforestation is the first one. Afforestation means plant more and more trees. Plant more and more trees. First one. Now the second method is rows of trees or shelter belt. Rows of trees or shelter belt. It means rows of trees or shelter belts are planted in desert region. In the desert region to protect the field from wind erosion. Now, third one is overgrazing by animals. Overgrazing by animals like sheep and goats must be checked. Must be checked. Next, because overgrazing by animals must be checked because the free movement of animals in the field should be restricted. Fourth one, steps should be taken to check reckless cutting of trees. To check reckless cutting of trees, or we can say felling the trees. Fifth one, the terrace farming. Terrace farming and contour farming. Terrace farming And contour farming should be encouraged across the hill slopes. What do you mean by the terrace farming? Terrace farming means is a practice of cutting flat areas out of a hill or a mountain landscape in order to grow crops. It means the mountainous region we can cut the terrace or we can cut the land by in this form. This is known as terrace farming, by which we can grow the plants here to remove the soil erosion. And contour farming means farming along the contours of the land in order to minimize the soil erosion. Next one, some scientific methods should be used for the soil conservation. For example, rotation of crops and strip cropping. This scientific method should be used in farming. Rotation of crop means it is growing a series of different type of crops in the same areas in sequence seasons. It is done so that the soil of farms is not used for only one set of nutrients. It helps in reducing soil erosion and increase the soil fertility. And strip cropping means cultivation in which different crops are sown in alternate strip to prevent the soil erosion. So these are two methods of farming we have to use to remove the soil erosion. Those are the few methods for the soil conservation. Thank you and have a nice day.